The default on your iPhone is that it shares all of your data across every Apple device that's connected to your account. It might be a family iPad or a Mac computer, or maybe even an old iPhone that you have forgot about. Potentially your messages, your phone calls, but also your photos, your files, all of that could be shared with those other devices. Let's check all of that and make sure to turn it off if you choose to do so. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps at the bottom. After you've done that, scroll down until you find Messages on this list and tap on Messages. Again, scroll down from here until you get to Text Message Forwarding and tap on that. You can see on here it says Trevor's MacBook Pro as well as my iPad. So if any of these are toggled on, it essentially means I'm sharing all of those text messages with that other device. However, to not share those or forward them, just toggle that off. Next, let's check the phone calls and make sure those are not being shared with other devices too. So tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, and then scroll down until you get to Phone and tap on Phone. Again, scroll down and then tap on Calls on Other Devices. You can see Allow Calls on Other Devices, again, my iPad as well as my MacBook Pro. If I don't want those devices to receive my calls, all I need to do is toggle those off, or just completely turn off Allow Calls on Other Devices at the top. Next, let's check your photos and files, your contacts, even your calendar. To do that, tap on the back arrow at the top left, tap on the back arrow again, and then tap on the back arrow again. Next, we're going to scroll up to the top of your settings and tap on your name at the top. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all of the devices that are linked to your Apple account. These are all of the devices that are receiving or potentially you're sharing from your iPhone to those devices. Next, let's tap on the iCloud option midway down, and then tap on See All next to Save to iCloud. This will show you everything that is currently synced up with your iCloud. You can tap on iCloud Photos at the top, and if you don't want to share all your photos or videos with the other devices, all you need to do is toggle this off at the top and then choose Download Photos and Videos. Keep in mind you do need enough space on your iPhone to be able to download all of those, and they won't be backed up to the iCloud. Another option you have is just to go to the other device, the other Mac or the other iPad, whatever it may be, and toggle off iCloud Photos on that device. And then you'll still have iCloud Photos that are backed up from your iPhone, but they won't be downloaded to your Mac computer or your iPad or whatever. Another option is to tap the back arrow and then tap on, for instance, iCloud Drive. Again, this syncs up all of the files from your iPhone and makes them readily available on any other device connected to your Apple account. If you wanted to turn that off, just toggle this off and tap Turn Off Syncing iCloud Drive. And then all of those files, folders, everything will just be on your iPhone. The next option is to tap the back arrow at the top left and then go through this list. You can see contacts as well as calendar, etc. If any of these apps or any of these services or information you don't want to sync up with those other devices, just toggle them off and you'll keep all of that data just stored on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too, and thanks for watching.